Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones both traded with little bearishness and little more volatility in last couple of days here. And in fact, one more interesting point is the resistance on the upside and the supports on the downside. You can see Dow Jones failed to break below 32,600, and then because 32,500 is going to be the next important support here, it is tried to reverse from the higher lows levels. And next, interestingly, US 100 is traded little less bearish compared to what we have seen in US 100, but still it is tried to recover again a bit also. So what to expect today? Which position you should take? Is it still bullish, or we can see a bearish breakout again? And if yes, which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the latest analysis. The second analysis, the second update will be released before the US session, precisely 10 hours from now. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we look into Tech 100, followed with Dow Jones. Watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the levels. Now see US 100 on the hourly charts. You can see one interesting observation here is how beautifully 12,150, 12,120 levels has provided a very good support. Multiple candles getting bounced back from the same levels. Yes, it tried to breach it till 12,100 levels for one, but again got a bounce back, got a support there. Second is increasing bullishness here, expanding triangle, that is in the near term. But at the same time, one must observe that it has stayed below the, or you can see the previous candle highs, and it is trying to give you lower highs there. Now if you look at the near term here, you can find higher lows, lower highs. A squeeze is seen here, and hence for the day only 12,250 levels is something which can bring little more bullishness. Those who want to risk a little, those who want to go as per my suggestions, you can buy here at 12,200, but then 12,230, 12,250, 12,270 levels you have to watch. Beyond that, we may see 12,300, 350, 400. These levels you should watch out for. Only and only if it stays about 12,350, it is to be confirmed for a reversal. Next observation, see couple of breakouts here, drop, consolidation, retracement, and once it breaks out on the downside, it is going to be another good drop which is going to take it for 12,000 and then 11,900 levels. Remember, this is drop, this is consolidation, then there could be a breakout. You should watch it out for. And hence, if you see it trading below 12,130 levels, you can sell here again, or rather I'll say 12,120, 12,100, then below that we may see a good drop for the day. You can expect 12,050 and 12,000 levels again. Stochastic on the hourly charts has come to oversold levels. MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. Now if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, similar is the observation. Two red candles, consolidation, waiting for a breakout, and then we can see the big move. That is the first part. Second part is the support it is trying to get and the bullishness it is trying to show, and hence in fact 12,150 itself you can sell, which might bring a little more bearishness here. On the upside, possibly beyond 12,200 there could be little 12,200 there could be a little rise, but then expect 12,230, 250, and then 270, 300, 350. The farther it moves away from these levels, the more bullish it might try to become. Only bullish confirmation and a reversal confirmation about 12,350 exists. Stochastic looking down here, the MACD has covered the gains, here, and in fact has bared the gains completely. Now back to the comfortable levels, and it is trading on the bearish side. However, now it is sub-zero, but it is crossed over for a buy again. Let's be watchful. It can try to give you the next round of wave here. This was a bullish wave. Probably it can try to continue with the bullish momentum. And stochastic has RSI is trading at comfortable levels, neither bullish nor bearish. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, one more point to observe. See this bearishness, see this retracement, lower high still. And one more point to note, I'll show you rather on the daily charts here. Let's wait a bit. And now see, rise, retracement, higher lows, again trying to rise. Once it trades about 12350, confirm it for the next bullish rally. Second point is right now you can see lower highs, which means 12250 certainly going to be a very good resistance zone. Rather, you can buy at 12220, then 12250, 270, 350 levels can be seen there. It is after drop, it is retracement, and possibly we can see it trading bearish. You have to be watchful and cautious here. Stochastic at the rise there, it is looking down. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge, but it is not yet crossed over. See, it is stabilizing probably. If it is bearish, it may try to diverge again. RSI trading flat, nor indicating bearishness or bullishness. Now look at 4-hour charts and 4-hour charts, high lows, lower highs, waiting for the breakout. About 12150, 12 below 12150, 12130, certainly little more bearishness might be seen, which might take it for 12,000 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is recovered a bit, trying to look down again. MACD is bearish, trading with divergence. RSI looking down, indicating slight bearishness. Now look at the daily. Now on the daily charts, the tail is done, and see the flat top there. There is a chance, there is a probability from here it can try to recover. And once it stays above this zone at 12,200, 230, you can see 12,270 and 300 also. So that is the first part. Next is it is trying to show you little more bullishness. You can see this. If you connect the dots here, you can say that it is trying to trade bullish. That is the first part. Next is if you look at the daily charts. Now see this bull run here. After this bullish run, this is a flag formation. And if you see a breakout here, about 12,500 any point of time, you can confirm that we are ready for the next bull run. So you have to be cautious and watchful there. So for the day, you can buy here at 12,200. See, also it is trading now about 12, below 12, 20, 50 and 100 period moving average. You have to be cautious, watchful. Stochastic has seen a little drop. MACD is on the daily charts, is again trading bearish. It is so far traded bearish in the last couple of months here, but now willing to converge crossover. I will wait for the crossover here. RSI trading flat. Considering this, you can buy here at 12,220 rather. Expect 12,250, 270 first resistance zone, then 12,300 and 350 levels as the next resistance. If it stays about 12,350, further bullishness for 12,400, 500, my favorite specific resistance zone. Beyond 12,500 this time, stay long and we can see a very strong bullish run. Probability exists for that. On the downside, we can sell here at 12,130 levels. Below 12,130, you can expect 12,100, 12,050 and below 12,050, further bearishness might take it till towards 12,000. The next stronger support exists at 12,000 and below 12,000 it can fall again and drop again. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss there. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, and yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on 13th of March. Limited seats are available now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now US 30 on the hourly chart, sharp drop, consolidation, then drop. See the drop size there has diminished significantly, indicating that on the downside it is trying to get support there. Now on the hourly chart, see lower highs are seen there, and hence 32,800, 32,850 levels it needs to break. We might see 32,900, 33,000 levels above those levels. And if you look at the hourly charts, also see 3 drops and then this reversal. So 32,800, yes, you can buy. Expect 32,900 and 33,000 levels above that. Next is this is a kind of squeeze. Wait for it to stay above 32,800 in order to confirm the bullish reversal or near-term reversal for the day only. Now see, stochastic looking down, MACD is bullish, divergent, looking upwards, but the slope here and slope here is drastically different, and hence the rise could be moderate. RSI trading flat, and if you look at 2-hour, similar observation on the 2-hour charts, rise, lower highs, retracement, trying to break out, staying above 32,800. We may see little more rise for 32,900, 950 and then 33,000 levels. Only if it stays above 33,100, we can confirm that it is trying to reverse. Stochastic back at comfortable levels. MACD willing to cross over for a buy. See this crossover and see this crossover. Probably it can try to bring little bullishness. RSI trading flat. Now look at 3-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows. Wait for it to break past 32,800 levels in order to confirm for a rise. The stochastic is reversed, trying to converge here. MACD bearish, trying to converge. RSI trading flat. And if you look at 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts, lower highs, waiting for a breakout, and hence the same levels. And once it stays above 32,900, confirm it for 33,100, and beyond that, little more bullishness. Also, one more important point is, see 32,600 here and 32,600 here. It has completed the journey till here. You have to be watchful. It is trying to fall back into this. Again, might see 33,200 soon. Stochastic was oversold, trying to recover here. The MACD is bearish. Again, see the candle size is flattened or it is trying to diminish, and hence calling for a little bullishness. RSI almost at bottom. Now look at the daily. Now see on the daily charts, 32,600. Here also you can see support. Here also you can see support. Next is the diminishing candle size. Yes, till 32,600. Do not consider this as bearish. It can probably bounce back here. And if it stays above 32,800, stay long for 32,900, 920, and then 33,000, 33,100 levels. This could probably reverse. Stochastic has seen a good drop from the overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over again, and this is trading with divergence. This is trading with bearishness. This is looking down. RSI is also looking down. So couple of observations to share. Here you can see this is after this bearish drop, it is trying to trade sideways or retrace between this channel, and only if it stays below 32,500 and 32,600 zone, then you can confirm that it is trying to trade bearish. We can see a very sharp plunge below 32,500 levels. We have seen in recent past 32,500 providing it a very good support, because below that we may see 32,000 levels as the next support level. Now on the upside, yes, 33,100, very good level, very good resistance. Then 33,200, and then beyond that we may see 33,400, 500 zone as the next level. Beyond 33,500 only bullishness is confirmed. In last few days, few weeks, I have told you several times, 32,500, 33,500 is the zone you should be watchful of. And once again, it is proving out to be a good resistance zone. Hence, for the day, sell at 32 or buy at 32,800, sell at 32,700 levels. In between these 100 points, do not trade below 32,700. We can see 32,650, 600, and then below 32,600, little more bearishness might take it for 32,500 levels, the next stronger support. Below 32,500, consider that it is trying to give a breakout, and we may see further drop there. Take your trades accordingly. On the upside, 32,900, 33,100 levels should be a very good resistance. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to join my mentorship batch and the Signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.